Logitech is back in the game for keyboard enthusiasts with the brand new Alto Keys K98M. Previously available only in select Asian markets, this customizable mechanical keyboard has finally arrived in the US, and it's designed specifically with professionals and keeb heads in mind. Priced at $119 on Logitech's official website, the K98M marks a significant return to hot-swappable mechanical keyboards from the brand. At the core of this keyboard are Logitech's exclusive Logi Marble linear switches. These switches offer a smooth and responsive typing experience, and the hot-swappable design means you can easily swap out switches without soldering. That's a feature longtime enthusiasts have been waiting for since Logitech's last hot-swappable keyboard, the G Pro X, launched back in 2019. Unlike most mechanical keyboards that feature bold, flashy RGB lighting, the Alto Keys K98M takes a more subtle, sophisticated approach. It sports a translucent frame paired with elegant white backlighting, creating a clean and modern look that fits perfectly in any workspace. Comfort is key for long typing sessions, and Logitech delivers here with their uni-cushion design. This full-frame gasket mount absorbs typing vibrations, which not only improves the feel, but also reduces the sound, making it ideal for quiet office environments. Customization goes beyond just the switches. The K98M includes 3 programmable action keys, so you can assign shortcuts or commands tailored to your workflow. Plus, the first 3 function keys double as easy switch buttons, letting you seamlessly switch between up to 3 connected devices. Speaking of connectivity, this keyboard is versatile. It supports Bluetooth wireless connection and works with Windows, Mac OS, Chrome OS, and even iPad OS, making it a truly cross-platform workspace tool. Battery life is impressive too. Logitech promises up to a full year of wireless use if you keep the backlighting off. And when it's time to recharge, you can keep typing uninterrupted while charging via the convenient USB-C port. With the Alto Keys K98M, Logitech has struck a balance between customization, comfort, and understated style. It's a smart choice for professionals and keyboard aficionados who want a reliable, flexible, and sleek mechanical keyboard for their workspace. If you're ready to upgrade your workspace, the Logitech Alto Keys K98M is now available on Logitech's website. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.